This is a snapper fillet, and I just did simple salt and pepper, seared it to perfection. Just about, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes on either side. I'm gonna allow this to rest. I have a couple ounces of good butter, getting some crushed garlic infused in that butter. Rough lemon, just want a little citrus, little salt, pinch of salt, little pinch of pepper. For last, you're leaving your SHADON BENI. Lovely seafood. So I want to grab one of these boys and take my SHADON BENI garlic butter sauce and just drizzle. Ladies and gentlemen, Jolene Romain.
Hello from the other side.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So
Wow.
glad to have you here.
I'm so happy to be here.
Have a
Oh wow,
seat.
and such a beautiful
Please have a
dish.
seat.
Let's try it. Quite nice. Very flavorful.